are one of the largest integrated synthetic thermic fluid company of India.
Hello friend, I am Dhansup Chopra, one of the director of Generation 4 Engitech Limited. Generation 4 Engitech Limited is known for its outstanding quality performance and prompt delivery. We follow all ISO guidelines. We have fully equipped in-house lab facility. Raw material test, process test and finished good test are part of our life. We have environment friendly plant with green category pollution concern. We also have solar plant of 100% capacity, which is again good for our environment. We have capacity of 700 KL raw material storage and up to 400 KL storage of finished goods. We are committed to serve you better. We hope for your good health and bright future. Have a good day.
We are leading manufacturers of synthetic lubricants having more than 50 specialty products. Committed to serve the world-class quality with more than 6,000 users in India and Asia. We deal in greases and cleaning chemicals related to lubricants. A team of 60+ person is working for innovating lubricants for your plant's sustainable future.
The Generation 4 Engitech Limited has got its core values and its DNA. Has three main ingredients: speed, innovation and excellence. We work with a tremendous speed within our company as well as with our customers. We innovate everything: our product, our behavior, our policies and our dealing with the customers also. And the third is excellence. We do not tolerate anything less than excellence in our entire working.
Power of science and technology to innovate unique and efficient lubricants. Leading suppliers of internationally certified premium food-grade thermic fluids. India's market leader in silicon green 100% synthetic thermic fluid. Network of 48 distributors across India and Asia Pacific. Specialized lubricant and fuel testing captive lab facility at Roorkee and Jodhpur. Our manufacturing plant facilities include 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 6,000 and 10,000 liters of additive blending vessels, 4 blending vessels of 25,000 liters with hot and cold facility, 2 grease blending vessels, 8 lakh liters base oil storage facility, 41,000 square feet total area of manufacturing plant. Dedicated service team to provide 3-tier technical support to customers. GFEL got Business Gaurav Award from Axis Bank, NSIC, Indian Government Organization in Chemical and Petrochemical Sector. GFEL also got Manufacturing Business of the Year Award from Zee Business and MSME of Indian Government. Certified ISO 9001 to 2008 company.
Hi friends. Generation 4 Engitech Limited is well-known name in India and Asia Pacific region for its synthetic lubricant. With the vast experience of 18 years, we have become the second largest synthetic lubricant company. We have won many awards from reputed firms like Axis Bank, Zee Business as in manufacturing excellency. We are inspired by Henry Ford and Thomas Alva Edison. Henry Ford for better price and Thomas Alva Edison for innovations. Our business is our passion. सारी दुनिया हमारी मित्र है. हमारा कंपटीशन केवल हमसे है और हमारे बढ़ते हुए कदम ही हमारे सक्सेस का सर्टिफिकेट है। Our sincere thanks to all our business partners, users, small and a big list of multinational companies who has given their faith in our product and quality and making us India's second largest synthetic thermic fluid company. Thank you.